feel like most people right now, you're stuck working from home, and the stress and tension of that is probably starting to get to you. Ideally, we'd have a setup where our arms can stay at 90 degrees on the keyboard, our eyes can stay level with the computer, and we're away from all the spaces where things are going crazy. Unfortunately, a lot of us are stuck trying to find spaces where we can get away from everybody else so that we can get our work done without being bothered. A lot of us are stuck working with a laptop, or even worse, a tablet. If you want to set up your space properly, you might want to just use some old textbooks from back in the day and stack up your computer so that it stays eye level with you. Another thing I would suggest is going ahead and getting a Bluetooth keyboard. That way your hands can still stay down low without having to reach up to type. A couple other things that will help you stay comfortable would be a lumbar support cushion that you can connect to the back of your chair. Like one of these. Or a wobble disc that you can use to create some motion so you're not just stuck in one position for all this time. Like one of these. You can get motion in the spine. And when you're done with that, after a few minutes, you can use this lumbar support to keep you upright. So those are just a few things that are going to help you get through this time while you're working from home a little more comfortably.